Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am.
Very good morning.
Hi, ma'am.
Very good morning, children.
Good morning, ma'am.
Very good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Very, very good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Very good
Good
morning, children.
morning, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am.
Very good morning and welcome, dear children. Let's wait for a few minutes so that yes, we are getting good participants.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Very good morning, children.
Good morning. Good morning, ma'am. तुम्हें जानते हो देखो. Good morning, ma'am.
Very good morning. Very good morning.
Morning, ma'am. Ma'am.
Yes, dear.
Everybody join Good morning.
Yes, please rejoin. And there is an HP ID name is HP. Please write your login ID again, please. Please write your login ID again. There is a login ID named HP. Please write your login ID, username, please, dear. Your name, class, and section. Priyanshu Jani, please open your camera. Great. Okay. So we are all here in the session today.
Yes, ma'am. How are you, ma'am?
Thank you so much. I'm very good. And I'm very glad to see you all. I'm very glad to see you all.
How are you, ma'am?
Good morning, I'm fine, thank you. I'm fine,
How
thank
are
you.
you, ma'am? Good morning, ma'am.
Okay, mics off. Now mics off. Very good morning. All mics off, dear. Now don't open your mics. Don't open your mics. We'll begin the session now. We'll begin the session now. Okay, all mics off. Thank you so much. Wonderful. It's lovely to see you all. It's lovely to see you all. Bharat, please put your camera in a proper way.
Ma'am, see my car. Good morning, Anuprati ma'am.
बोलना गुड मॉर्निंग मैंने माइक ऑन करके रखा है.
Good morning, everyone. Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am. Morning, Anuprati ma'am. Good morning, Anuprati ma'am. Good morning,
Dear children, please keep your mic off. Dear children, please keep your mic off.
ma'am.
Please keep your mic off, dear children. Yes, so that we can begin the session now. Okay? A very warm and wonderful welcome to all present here, respected headmistress, mentors, and dear students and respected coordinator, ma'am. Dear students, welcome to the session. So here, on behalf of the entire campus of Advanced Academy, I, Tulika Ganguly, mentor of primary section, your today's anchor of this workshop is going to present you this workshop on healthy habits. So dear children, if you remember, these habits we keep on telling you in the class and as well as in the school, we keep on telling you to wash your hands, to keep yourself clean, right? Yatharth, please keep your glass away. Thank you. Okay. So these activities we keep on reminding you from day and day. Habits, right? Habits are few things that we have to always follow. Why, beta? Why do we have to follow habits? Because these become our nature. right? If we regularly do one practice, we keep on making it our habit, right? Do you brush every morning? No, na? Do you brush every morning? Yes or no?
Yes. Yes. Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Okay, just show me a thumbs up. Just show me a thumbs up. Just show me a thumbs up or a thumbs down, right? Okay, great. So, yes, only answer in thumbs up and thumbs down. All right, very good. So, if you all have a practice of brushing the teeth every morning and before going to bed, that means you have made it your habit. Arav, please don't drink anything in front of the camera. I request you all. Like drinking. Drinking water is also a very important thing, right? You all drink water. Is it important to drink water or water is not necessary? Is it necessary or it is not necessary? It's necessary, right? Now these days summer are coming. Summer, this is springtime. Now summer is coming up. So we will have to have more and more water to keep ourselves hydrated, right? So this water is going to actually work as a miracle for us. It will keep us hydrated always. In fact, if you have little lukewarm water always and gargle your throat, this will also become a very healthy habit. Why? Because the corona will vanish. The coronavirus, which affects your nose, nasal part, and your throat and your lungs, that will die. That will die if you gargle or you have little lukewarm water. Okay? So this water is miraculous, dear children. Always keep having it regularly. Okay? Yes. Second thing, habits are, like I told you, that habits regularly if we do it, if you wake up early in the morning, you have a habit of getting up early. If you wake up late in the morning, you have a habit of waking late in the morning. So I will quickly revise what all basic habits we need to remember always. Okay? Will you see it and revise it? Because I may ask you at the end. Okay? So here I'm going to share you the screen and you will just revise it in your hand and count it along with you. First I will speak and then you will revise and you will see it by yourself. So you will remember. Okay? So first point, I'm counting in my finger, you will count in your finger. Then I will share the screen as well. Like this, we will remember what points we said. First thing, eat healthy food. Eat healthy food. Eating healthy food is a very good habit because if you have old food or stale food or junk food, that will make you suffer, become unhealthy. You will become unhealthy. You will feel weak. You will feel lazy because that food are old, stale. Stale means basi. Okay? Then having good table manners. What are good table manners? First, all of you sit like this. All of you sit like this. Yes, very good. Yes. So first and foremost, we should eat healthy food. Now, when we are eating healthy food, we should also and always remember to have a healthy and disciplined table manners. Now, what is table manners? Do you know? Do you use spoons and the plate and glass when you eat your food? Right? You eat your spoon, glass, and plate. Do you wash them? Or you just take out and just start eating? Do you clean them with a wiper? With a wiping cloth? Yes, very good, Arib. That's good. We should always clean and wipe our plates, utensils, and then eat on it, right? And then keep it on the table properly. We should not just take snatch a bread from the packet and start having it. Do you wash your hands daily before eating food? Do you wash your hands daily? Yes? Great. Show me a thumbs up. Yes, wonderful. Just show me a thumbs up if you do, or a thumbs down if you don't do. Okay? That's great. Now, yes, children. Wonderful. Harini, I cannot see you. Please sit in front of the camera. Yes, good. Good. Next, we should brush twice a day. Twice. One in the morning when we get up, and second, when we go to bed. Before going to bed, we should also brush our teeth so that whatever particles are there inside the mouth, that gets cleaned away. And our mouth and our teeth is clean and healthy, right? There is no bad breath. There is no cavity. Cavity happens when the food is stuck inside the teeth, between between two tooths. If food is stuck inside, then gradually it will start getting stale and it will rot your teeth. What is rot? Rotting? Rotting means sarana. सड़ जाना, आपके दांत सड़ने लगेंगे, वहां पे एक तरह का छेद होने लगेगा और फिर आपके दांत में दर्द होगा. इसलिए ब्रशिंग इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. You will brush regularly and try to brush twice daily. Okay. Next, please don't use the chat box. Just a second, children. Okay, please don't use the chat box, children. Just show me a thumbs up and thumbs down. Okay, if you brush regularly, show me a thumbs up. Very good. Excellent. Excellent. Okay, wonderful. All right. So, next point, studying on time. Now, these days you are getting proper timetable. You wake up in the morning, you do your assembly, your special class assembly, then you start your class sessions by 9:20 or 9:30, then you gradually start doing the next classes and you end by, finally you're free by 12. Okay, after that you can do your homework or you have your lunch or you rest for a while, then you can play for a while. Like this you have to maintain your timetable. So like this you will always follow your habits. These are your habits. Then you not using device like mobile phone, tab, computer, TV for a long period of time. Like right now we are having our class back to back for 3 hours. Okay, for example 9 to 12, let's say. Okay, so after this 2.5 to 3 hours we can leave the device for a while. We should not see the device for at least an hour. Okay, you can have your food, you can have your lunch, and then come back again to see the homework which is given to you. At 1 o'clock your homework is given, right? That time you can see your DWT, you can finish and then again rest or play or draw something. Draw, create your imagination, draw it down in your drawing copy. Okay, draw it, and then the creativity, and you go beyond. Your creativity takes you beyond. Your creativity, right, takes you beyond. What is beyond? Beyond means आगे चले जाना. जो नहीं हुआ है वो भी आप सोच के बना सकते हो. Wow, that's so exciting. Okay, so I will quickly now share the screen so that you can have a glance and you remember what all we should do and we should not do. Eat healthy food, have good table manners, brushing twice a day, studying on time, not using device like mobile phone or computer for a long period of time. Arav Deshpande, my artist, please don't touch the screen. Please don't touch my screen. Otherwise, there will be beautiful drawing right now. Draw it in your own canvas, not over here, dear. Okay, thank you. So next is wake up early in the morning. Okay, you have to wake up early in the morning. Then you should greet all your elders and also your younger brother and sister. Your younger brother and sister. Why? Because if you greet them, good morning, Chote Bhaiya, good morning, Bonu. So what happens? They learn from you. They learn from you to greet. What you do, they will also do. Okay, what you do, they will also do. So you will teach them good habits, they will learn from you. You will greet your elders, they will watch you. They will always watch you. They copy you, they don't. Whatever you do, they also want to do. Your little younger brothers and sisters, they copy you, right? Hannah? Have you seen them copying you? Sometimes you get annoyed. but they do. So try to do good things so that they also in return do the same thing. Avoid junk food. Healthy food habits, avoid junk food. Sleep on time. Play outdoor games. Right now, for the corona pandemic and for corona infection, you all are inside, indoor in your houses. So at least try to play some indoor games. Or if you have your rooftop, छत है अगर आपकी, तो आप छत पे अपने ही छत पे जाकर खेल सकते हैं. बाहर अगर आप नहीं जा पा रहे हैं या आपका गार्डन दूर है, और अगर आपकी के घर में गार्डन है छोटा सा या अपना छत है, तो वहां पे आप खेल सकते हैं अपने पेरेंट्स के साथ, अपने सिबलिंग्स के साथ. ओके, क्लीनिंग अप द मेस इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट चिल्ड्रन. आप अपने रूम की सफाई खुद करते हैं कि नहीं करते? करते हैं? नहीं करते हैं? खुद करते हैं या मम्मी करती हैं? मम्मी के साथ साथ हेल्प करते होंगे जरूर. ओके, गुड. आप अपने सामान को खुद अपनी जगह पे रखेंगे तो आपको याद रहेगा कि आपने वो चीज कहाँ रखी थी. जैसे कि आज आपकी ड्राइंग क्लास होती है, तो ड्राइंग के कलर पेंसिल, कैनवस या ड्राइंग कॉपी कहाँ रहेगी, ये मम्मी को तो नहीं पता होना चाहिए ना, है ना? क्या मम्मी आपसे पूछती है कि यश हल्दी कहाँ रखी है, आरव जीरा कहाँ रखा है? हाँ, मम्मी पूछती है क्या? नहीं ना. अरे मैं आज खाने में क्या बनाऊं ऊर्जा, पूछती है मम्मी? नहीं ना. हाँ, तो फिर मम्मी क्या पूछती है? मम्मी बता, ओहो मैंने अपना आलू कहाँ रख दिया. क्या धनिष्का को पता है? धनिष्का ने तो नहीं यूज किया मेरा था आलू. हाँ, तो ऐसे तो मम्मी नहीं करती है ना. तो धनिष्का भी क्यों पूछेगी कि मम्मी मेरा क्रेयॉन कहाँ रखा है ना? फिर स्वानिक क्यों पूछेगा, अरे मम्मी मेरी ड्राइंग कॉपी नहीं मिल रही है. फिर नैना क्यों पूछेगी, नैना रघुवंशी क्यों पूछेगी, मम्मी मुझे मेरा वो कलर ब्रश कहाँ है, मुझे कलर करना है, ड्राइंग कॉपी है, कहाँ है? तो मम्मी नहीं बताएंगी, ये आपको पता करना होगा. सो यू हैव टू क्लीन अप योर मेस. मेस मीन्स जो आपने फैला रखा है, और अगर नहीं फैलाते हैं तो दैट्स अ वेरी गुड हैबिट. बी रिस्पॉन्सिबल विथ मनी. दैट इज यू शुड ऑलवेज टेक केयर ऑफ मनी and be very careful with them. Why? Because money is a very important part of our life. Because of that, we are studying hard. We are doing so much of efforts to take care of money. To take care of money. Okay? It's very important. अगर आपको 5 रुपए का एक सिक्का मिला, ठीक है, और पापा ने आपको दिया रखने के लिए संभाल के, अगर उसके साथ आप खेलने लगे, खेलते खेलते खिड़की के बाहर गिर गई, तो क्या आप उस 5 रुपए से आप गोली टॉफी ले पाओगे, खरीद पाओगे? या 5 रुपए की केक मिलती है बहुत अच्छी कैडबरी की, खरीद पाओगे? नहीं खरीद पाओगे. तो वो अगर 5 रुपए आपने संभाल के रखा होता और आपको बड़ी तेज की भूख लगी होती, तो आप कहते हैं कि मम्मी आई हैव माय 5 रुपए कॉइन व्हिच डैडी गेव मी, कैन आई बाय माई सेल्फ अ केक? राइट? So that 5 rupee coin was very important at the time when you were feeling hungry. You were hungry. And that 5 rupee coin saved you from that hunger, which you earned from your daddy. You earned it. Right? Yes. So these are some very basic and good habits. And at the end, you must say the golden words like, please, sorry, thank you. These golden words are very important in life. चाहे आप छोटे रहे, चाहे आप मुझ जैसे हो जाए, चाहे आप दादाजी जैसे बड़े हो जाए, हमेशा आपने देखा है ना आपके दादा दादी को भी कभी कभी थैंक यू और सॉरी बोलते हुए देखा है ना. क्या उससे बुरा होता है कुछ? क्या उससे कभी कुछ बुरा होता है? नहीं. आपको अच्छा लगता है ना कि दादी ने आपको थैंक यू बोला, राइट? दादू ने आपको कहा ओहो सॉरी बेटा, आपको चोट तो नहीं लग गई? हाँ, बोलते हैं तो अच्छा लगता है ना. नहीं दादू मैं ठीक हूँ, मुझे चोट नहीं लगी, आपको तो नहीं लगी? आप पूछते हो. सो लाइक दिस, अगर बड़े भी हमसे बोलते हैं तो कुछ गलत नहीं होता, वो अच्छी बात होती है. तो आप छोटे हैं, आपको तो और भी ज्यादा बोलना चाहिए. तो ऑलवेज रिमेंबर टू यूज दीज गोल्डन वर्ड्स. Now coming up to some healthy eating habits. What are some healthy eating habits? Do you know? Eating habits like Okay, Himanshi. Himanshi knows it. Very good. Many of the children know the eating habits. So now I will tell you the healthy eating habits. That is, you should always eat home cooked food. Okay? You should always eat home cooked food. You should always wash your hand before going to have your food. Okay? Or these days, so much infection is going on. ठीक है, बीमार भी पड़ रहे हैं लोग, आपको भी कभी कभी सर्दी जुकाम हो जाता है. जरूरी नहीं कि सर्दी जुकाम होने से कोरोना हो जाए, ठीक है, नॉट नेसेसरी. सर्दी जुकाम इसलिए भी हो सकता है क्योंकि चेंज ऑफ सीजन हो रहा है. सर्दी थी ना जनवरी फरवरी में, अब चेंज हो रहा है ना, अब चेंज हो रहा है, अब हम लोग फैन चला रहे हैं, कूलर चला रहे हैं, कभी कभी हम लोग ठंडा पानी पी लेते हैं, तो उससे भी हमें तबीयत खराब हो जाती है, हमारी तबीयत जो है गड़बड़ हो जाती है, फीवर आ जाता है, गले में दर्द हो जाता है, सर्दी हो जाती है, तो हमें छींक आती है, अच्छी. तो क्या हमें ऐसे छींकना चाहिए? अच्छू नहीं ना. वी शुड ऑलवेज कीप आवर एल्बो एंड स्नीज इट लाइक दिस. क्यों? क्योंकि इससे हमारा हाथ नहीं टच हुआ. वेरी गुड, ऑल आर डूइंग इट, वेरी गुड. हमारा हाथ नहीं टच हुआ, ठीक है. बाई चांस अगर आपके पास नैपकिन नहीं है तो, अदरवाइज याद रखिए जब भी आपको सर्दी जुकाम हो आप मास्क पहने रहिए. Always try and wear your mask. Keep your mask with you. This is a very important aspect these days. Wearing your mask and sneezing is very important. Okay? So keep your mask ready and handy always. हमेशा अपने हाथ में पहने रहिए मास्क ऐसे, ठीक है, या फिर अपने पॉकेट में रखिए मास्क, कभी भी खेलने जाए. वेरी गुड हिमांशी, वेरी गुड हिमांशी. ओके, सो दिस मास्क विल सेव यू योरसेल्फ एंड सेव यू फ्रॉम अदर्स. अगर कोई और बीमार है, आपका फ्रेंड बीमार है, वो आपके पास खेलने आया है और वो छींका, 2 बार छींका, 3 बार छींका, तो आप क्या करोगे? वहीं बैठे रहोगे? नहीं, आप तुरंत मास्क पहन लोगे, ठीक है. बाई चांस अगर वो भूल गया है मास्क पहनना तो आप मास्क पहन लोगे, ठीक है. किसी को बोलना तो अच्छी बात होती है, लेकिन सबसे पहले खुद को सावधान रहना होता है. हम अगर सावधान रहेंगे तो सामने वाला खुद ब खुद सावधान हो जाएगा, वो भी हमसे सीखेगा ना अच्छी चीजें. तो क्यों ना हम अपने आप को सेव करें. लेट अस कीप अस प्रोटेक्टेड. हमें ऐसा देखेंगे तो सामने वाला भी, देखो मेरे साथ साथ कितने लोग मास्क पहन रहे हैं. वेरी गुड, ठीक है. तो थैंक गॉड वर्चुअल क्लास में ऐसा नहीं होता. Virtual class में we are safe from this virus. That is why children, we are not calling you to school, to keep you safe inside your house with your parents. Harini, keep your camera on. Don't touch your camera, dear. Okay. So these were some important things which you should keep in mind. Fine. Next, I will tell you some important more things like when you go to play. When you go to play in your garden or just the garden below your house, inside your premises, जहाँ पे safe है, जहाँ पे आप लोग खेल सकते हो, ठीक है. अगर आप जाते हो मास्क पहन के, तो always keep your sanitizer bottle with you. Always keep your sanitizer bottle with you because these days it is very important again. Okay? And whenever you get a cut mark, अगर चोट लग जाए, कट लग जाए, तो उसमें कभी भी अपना हाथ मत दीजिएगा. नेवर. उसको ऐसे हल्के से कवर कर लीजिएगा, ऊपर से कवर कर लीजिएगा जिससे कि उसमें धूल ना लगे, ठीक है. और पैर में कटा है तो तुरंत घर जाइए, या अगर आपके पास पानी का बॉटल है तो थोड़ा सा पानी उस पर गिरा के घर पहुंचिए. सबसे पहले घर जाके क्लीन एंड ड्रेस योर वुंड. Dress your wound. What happens? The infections, small microbes, they are moving around the air. They come and sit on that cut. आपके कट पे आके बैठ जाएगा हवा से. वो हवा में हमेशा रहता है, हमेशा. जैसे कोरोना वायरस रहता है वैसे छोटे छोटे खराब वायरस हमेशा घूमते रहते हैं जो हमारे बॉडी को नुकसान पहुंचा सकते हैं. तो अगर हमारा स्किन कट गया तो ऑलवेज रिमेंबर to cover it and wash it with clean water. Go home, put some disinfectants, okay, put a cream or put a solution and clean it always. Keep your wounds clean. Wash your hands. Always wash your hands and then touch it. Or let your elders do that. You don't do it, let your elders do that. Antiseptic लगाइए उस पे, clean रखिए. Wash your hands. Then how many have pets at their home? Raise your hand if you have pets at your home. Dog, cat, chota rabbit, rat, white rat, parrot, anything. Okay. Few of them are raising their hands. Very good. Arav, Anhita, Prayan, Himanshi, very good. They are having pets at their home. Anika, okay. Mishika, Sarth, okay, good. Yugdava, very good. Do you take care of your pets? Do you love your pets? Yes, you love your pets. Very good. Do you take care of them? वरना तो मम्मी क्या कहेंगी, इनकी भी सुसु पोटी मुझे. चिन्मय, गुड मॉर्निंग. चिन्मय महाजन. Chinmay Mahajan. Good morning, baby. Do you have your pet at home? You're sleeping? Okay. Okay. So you're having, okay. Anvi is having one dog. Very good. So you all are having these pets with you which you take care of. कभी कभी आप घुमाने ले जाते हैं, खाना देते हैं, कभी उनके सर पे आप प्यार करते हैं, ठीक है? तो क्या सर पे प्यार करने के बाद फिर नाक में हाथ और मुंह में हाथ डाल देते हैं? डालते हैं भूल के गलती से? Yes or no? Kavish? Yes? Okay. Sit properly, all of you. Sit properly. Priyanka Shukla. Right. Okay. So हम लोग हमेशा हैंड वॉश करके ही खाना खाएंगे, ऑलवेज, बिकॉज पेट्स नहाते तो है लेकिन उनके बॉडी में बाल बहुत होते हैं ना बाल, देखा है ना, फर, दैट इज कॉल्ड फर. तो उस फर में बहुत सारी धूल चिपक जाती है, सो दिस इज द रीजन यू हैव टू कीप योरसेल्फ क्लीन अगेन. अपने आप को साफ रखिए. आप बार बार तो अपने पेट को धुला नहीं सकते हैं ना, वरना फिर वो काटने लगेगा. अरे जब देखो तब मुझे धुला रहे हो, जब देखो तब मुझे धुला रहे हो. हाँ, फिर वो क्या करेगा, करेगा ना. क्या करेगा? बिल्ली क्या कहेगी, करेगी ना, राइट? और डॉगी क्या करेगा, जैसे उसके टेल के पास आओगे, तो क्या फायदा भाई, जो इतना प्यारा पपी आपको प्यार करता है, आप उनको प्यार करते हो, वो अगर आपसे झगड़ा करने लगे, क्या फायदा है ना. So this is the reason you have to take care of yourself, my dear lovely children. Because अगर आप साफ रहेंगे, आप अच्छे रहेंगे, तो इंडिया स्वस्थ रहेगा. Okay? इंडिया स्वस्थ रहेगा. All right. Good. So next, moving up to your screen. I will now share the screen again. So these things you have to always remember when you have to wash your hands. First, playing with pets. Second, whenever you go to the washroom, you have to flush your washroom always. चाहे आप half flush करो अगर टॉयलेट जा रहे हैं, और number 2 जा रहे हैं, तो obviously you have to clean it properly, वरना अच्छा नहीं लगता है बाथरूम अगर गंदा रहे तो. Then always wash your hands with soap or water. Then whenever you sneeze or blow your nose or cough, you must have a handkerchief, or you must keep your nose cleaned, right? And then wash your hands. By chance आपके पास रुमाल नहीं है, तो you should wash your hand अगर आपने अपने hand से अपने face को cover किया है तो. But always cover your face. Then जैसे कि मैंने अभी कहा, do not touch your open cut. जो cuts खुले हुए रहते हैं, या घाव कोई बन गया है, या फिर कोई मतलब कोई किसी कीड़े ने काट लिया है, वहां से घाव हो गया है, तो उसको टच मत करिए. ओके? एंड अगर टच कर रहे हैं गलती से, तो प्लीज रिमेंबर टू वॉश योर हैंड्स विद सोप, बिकॉज उसमें इन्फेक्शन है. ऑलवेज वॉश योर हैंड्स व्हेन यू आर प्लेइंग आउटसाइड एंड बिफोर ईटिंग फूड. नाउ मूविंग टू नेक्स्ट. ओके, नाउ वी विल डू अ स्मॉल स्केच, जिसमें मैं आपको एक स्टोरी सुनाऊंगी छोटी सी, क्विकली. ओके, एक स्टोरी सुनाऊंगी, आपको ध्यान से सुनना है कि क्या होता है. फाइन. So, they were 2 brothers and sisters. Can you all see? 2 brothers and sisters, right? So this 2 brothers and sisters, they were always, wait, let me just, So the name of the brother was Rohit and the sister's name was Rashi. Okay? So Rohit and Rashi, they love to have junk foods. They love to have junk foods and only junk foods. They will always eat junk food like burger, pizza, cold drink, chips, Cadbury's, chocolates, candies. Oh my God. Always these things, every day Maggie, every day pizza, every day burger. I feel very giddy. मुझे नहीं अच्छा लगता रोज रोज. Anyways, इनको अच्छा लगता है तो ये लोग खाते थे, रोज खाते थे. और बेचारी मम्मी, she used to cook healthy foods always. Every day she used to cook कि बच्चों प्लीज अच्छा सा खाना खा लो. प्लीज मैंने जो बनाया है आपके लिए फेवरेट सी सब्जी वो खा लो. आज मैंने आपके लिए पनीर बनाया है, आलू शिमला मिर्च और पनीर. क्या कहा? छी, आपने शिमला मिर्च बनाया है फिर से? मैं नहीं खा रहा. I will not eat शिमला मिर्च or capsicum. I don't like capsicum to eat. I only like Maggi, pizza and burger. I will always have them. Then what did Rashi said? I will also have the same thing. Then at the end, what happened? His mother came and explained both of them. One day, she explained both of them, my dear Rohit, my dear Rashi, if we eat junk foods daily and if we don't eat fresh fruits and vegetables daily, we will have to wear specs. Well, I wore my specs very late, when I was very, very old. Then, not at childhood. मेरी आंखें बहुत तेज थी. ठीक है? So, the mother said that you will have to wear specs at very early age, very young age. And you will face problem. Okay? So, do you want to wear specs at very young age, very small age, and have eye pain? No, na. So, we should always have healthy and fresh food. Rashi understood. And she said, okay, Mama, I will always have fresh foods and whatever you make for me. But Rohit said, no, I will not make. I will not eat the fresh food what you give me. I will always eat my pizza, burger and chips. I will always eat that. One day what happened? He was studying in his class. He was studying in his classroom and the teacher asked him a simple question. She asked him to write the answer and he said, Rohit, what is 2 plus 2 equal to? Can you see my board? She asked, what is 2 plus 2 equal to? And Rohit was doing, oh, he was just wiping his eyes and watching the board. He was watching the board and he was wiping the eyes. Then he was not able to see. Then
I'm not able to see.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, I'm not able to see.
what is this excuse, Mr. Rohit? This is no excuse that you're not able to see. You don't know the answer of such a simple question. This is such a simple question. But Rohit started crying and he said that, ma'am, I'm not able to see. I'm sorry. I'm not able to answer. Then she called her, his parents. And then the parents came and told that he's not able to see. And then what happened? The parents told that I told the child to eat healthy vegetables, but he did not listen. Now he's having problem with his eyes. We'll go and make him get the eye test done and give him a specs. Now the child wears a specs and he has to wear the specs throughout the day. And now he has to see the board wearing the specs throughout. So like this, what happened? He actually suffered the eye problem. And Rohit then realized that he should always have vegetables and fruit. And he promised his mother that I will always have green vegetables and fruit and always listen to you, right? Right, Rohit?
Yes. I will always eat healthy vegetables and listen to my mother.
So now you understand, me, dear children, that healthy habit is so important for us, right? So you will all follow the healthy habits. Promise me. Promise me. This is called Pinky Promise. Promise me. Very good. Love you all. So you hope you all enjoyed this session and hope you all loved what exactly we explained you. Right? Okay. I loved and enjoyed telling you all about this. Remember, always use your phone and device for a short period of time and from a distance like this. ऐसे ऐसे नहीं देखना घुस के, ठीक है? Not always. And after finishing your live classes, please give gap of some time, play, draw, and enjoy yourself. Help your mama, clean your room. Okay? Love you all. Take care and have a good day. Enjoy yourself. Stay safe. Stay healthy. Bye. Thank you, children.